The Churchill Show comedian Ben Maurice, also known as Odol, died about 5:30 p.m. on Sunday, October 2020. Churchill Show founder Daniel Ndambuki Allen Churchill confirmed after sharing a condolence message on his Twitter account. On his Twitter page, Churchill wrote, "Life is short. God gives and God takes. Sote tuko safarini, we are all on a journey. Sleep well, Odwall," Churchill wrote. The comedian had a long struggle with brain tumors. It is believed that the comedian has been in and out of hospital since last year. He was once admitted to the Kenyatta National Hospital KNH in Nairobi 10 months ago and was later released. He spent 6 months at Kenyatta National Hospital and was later released in the past week. The comedian has been in the hospital where he was been receiving treatment. Besides his comedy in the Churchill Show, the comedian as well featured on Anti-Boss at popular NTV show. The fellow comedian have sent their condolences, including Eric Omondi, one of his best friends, in a statement. This is in a statement. Be careful. In a statement, the four of us hustle to extent that we share a house to save money. His death has hit me hard because we have walked this comedy journey together, said Mr. Omondi. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment. Thank you.